Hi everyone, it's Heidi from flutterbyheidi.co.uk, back with another simple stamping project for you, and this one is very quick and easy. Uses our Whisper White note cards again, and 2 ink pads, a punch, a stamp set which has both sentiments and images, and then some free celebration ribbon, which if you spend £45, this is just one of the 5 reels of ribbon that you can choose as part of your rewards. So this is the stamp. You'll see I've just used 2 colours, very simple, very quick and easy to put together. So first of all, we're going to take one of our pre-cut note cards. You can see here they come cut and scored already, a perfect size for just sending a little note to somebody, and it's already scored down the middle. And I'm going to start off using my Grapefruit Grove ink pad, and I've just used one of the images from the stamp set, and you've got 2 lovely floral images here. So tap, 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 very quick and easy, and just down towards that bottom left hand corner, stamp your image. And this is how you're going to make those leaves appear as if they're coming from behind, because what you need to do is stamp the same image on a post-it note with the sticky bit covered, and then just pop that over there. And this is what we call masking. It's an easy technique and great for a beginner stamper, because you can all of a sudden get a really lovely effect. I'm now using my leaf stamp and some lemon lime twist, and I'm just going to come round and pop some leaves around the edge there. And then when you take that off, you'll see those leaves appear as if they're coming from behind the flower. I'm going to leave my little mask in place for the moment, and I'm going to come in with a sponge dauber. You can use a piece of sponge, but these sponge daubers are great. They just fit on the end of your finger. And what I'm going to do is just gently dab that onto my ink pad, just off to the side to take any excess. You don't want big splodges, and just gently blend. And this is a way of getting a little bit of colour onto a flower without actually colouring in. So there we go, there's our flower. Pop my mask back on. I'm going to use the diamond pattern piece of paper that we've got, a piece of paper stamp in the same stamp set, and I'm just going to come over, stamp off once, that gives us a lighter effect, and then create my own background pattern all over here. There we go, and by stamping off at the top, stamping over the edge, you can see we create a lovely pattern, and just that edge just makes it a little bit more effective. Now we're going to stamp our sentiment. I'm just using a scrap of Whisper White cardstock here, and my sentiment, which I've put on a block as well. Pop that in the middle there, and I'm going to come in. This is a 1.5 inch punch, a really useful punch for you to start off with. Line that up and punch, and then with a scrap of paper that I've got, I'm just punching out. And the great thing with Stampin' Up is the fact that you've got this coordination right from the start. Now to edge that, I'm just rolling that in the edge of my ink pad, gives it a really pretty finish. Do the same on this, and then I'm going to cut a little bit of our ribbon as well. So just cut that. All we need to do now is fold out my ribbon in half. I'm using a mini glue dot to do that. and then another one on the back. I'm just going to pop that on the edge there, and you can just play with the ribbon until it sort of folds as you want it to. A little bit of my snail to attach that offset to the same size punch. So although it's the same size, all of a sudden you've got a layer kind of appearing on the back there. A couple of our dimensionals on the back, just to lift it up a little bit, gives it a little bit of height. And there we have a really pretty little card in about 5 minutes. So there we go, hashtag simple stamping, quick, easy, stamps, ink, paper and a punch. Thanks for watching. Come back and see me again soon and we'll step it up with some other designs using the same stamp set. Thanks for watching. Come back and see me again soon. Flutterbyheidi.co.uk or visit my shop heidismith.stampinup.net. Bye now.